Hello guys, how are you? I think you all are fine. Guys, today we will teach you that how can we silence D later in the English compound words. Guys, according to rules of compound English words, if we use D, is that clear? It will be silenced automatically. I will teach you with some example. My first example is that sandwich, because you pronounce sandwich, that is wrong. Why? I tell you. Sandwich, here we have to silence D. Is that clear? So it will be pronounced as like that, sandwich. Next example, Wednesday, you pronounce, is that clear? But guys, it will used as like that, Wednesday, Wednesday, is that clear? Here also D will be silenced. Another example, handkerchief, HANDKERCHIEF, is that clear? Also in this spelling we have to silence D, so it will be pronounced as like that, handkerchief. Is that clear? So guys, if you like this GR rules, then you can follow us 8 over social media handles. And guys, if you want to archive more interesting English tricky videos, then you can visit 8 over official website, whose official URL link is www.nvea.in. And guys, you can contact us 8 over helpline number, which is 09414008310. Thank you so much guys. All the best.